Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. So let's create some more leftover resins wonders. So I will pour the resin in different shapes and sizes, and we'll see what I have to do with these. I'll use some dried flowers and some glitters and some alcohol inks as well. Let's start with the dried flowers first. I'll trim down the flowers if needed. So as you can see, I can't pick up the flowers with the tweezers. I prefer my hands only. So let's get ready to play with some alcohol inks. So the funny part is that two of these alcohol inks were the resin colorant but not the alcohol inks, and I mistakenly assumed them to be alcohol inks. So the consequences you can see in the next parts. Let's add some glitters to our jewelry bits. I love this yellow or greenish, don't know the color name, but it has some kind of blue also in it. Beautiful holographic stars. So the glitters that I am using here are all nail art glitters, and it has a variety of shapes and colors which are very nice. Let's take a look at my heart frame project. Let's give these a swirl. So I will give backgrounds to all these beads. So a few will have black background and few will have white backgrounds. So now the most exciting part, demolding. But this demolding process turned out to be funny for me, as the colorant did its magic. It never cured, and it just colored my hand so bad. I was totally shocked. I didn't know what to do in this situation, but I carried on with my demolding process with those colors on my hands. Later on I cleaned all the jewelry bits and clicked their photos and videos, which you will see towards the end of this video. So don't go anywhere, check out the beautiful photos and videos of these jewelry bits. And if you like this, please don't forget to press that like button and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And thank you for watching.